Cagayan, 21 Philippines.
And I am Mommy Nicole Ayala. So we are still here at the hospital.
Yes. It's
Princess
okay.
got sick,
Yes.
but she's gonna get well,
Yes.
better, and she's gonna get better. And she's actually a miracle baby. Yay!
Did you know, guys, I'm gonna get out of the hospital tomorrow.
Got out of the hospital on May...
Tuesday yun eh.
Tuesday siya.
Tuesday. Tapos sabi namin, Mami, paano na? Ang bill natin is 2.3 million. Kano babayaran natin sa insurance? Sabi ko, kasi in-expect namin, ang laki. Tapos, biglang sabi ng insurance, Sir, ang isi-settle nyo lang is 39,000. Alam mo yung, kulang na lang halikan mo yung lupa na, Lord,
Thank you.
thank you. Kasi alam mo yung,
Hinanda mo pa rin
kami.
Correct,
Kahit alam mo
correct,
sa Lord, kahit ang sakit sa atin nangyari sa amin.
Inayos mo pa
Pinaramdam
rin
mo pa rin
kami.
sa amin. Sabi ko, pinaramdam mo pa rin sa amin yung
Presence
mahal
mo.
kami.
Yes, yes.
Kasi,
Yes,
hindi mo
amen,
alam kung saan mo
amen, praise
dadapatin yung 2.3 million.
Correct. You, separately, that yun nga yung sinasabi ko, that the Lord has prepared us for this. Gumawa ang Lord ng way para makapag-prepare kami kasi nakakuha po kami ng insurance card which covered almost everything sa hospital. So, alam mo yun, ano yun napakalaking provision ni Lord yun eh. Kasi alam niyo po ba na ang unang 3 araw namin sa ICU nasa 400,000 kami. Provision siya ng Diyos sa amin. Na-prepare niya kami, na kumuha po kami ng ganitong klase ng insurance from AXA which will cover yung hospitalization ni Prince. Yun palang provision na yun ng Panginoon. And we'd also like to share that with you, yung provision na yan. And you can ask us kung paano, bigla daw kami naging ahente. Hindi ganun, pero kasi provision ni Lord yun eh. Provision ni Lord yun. Kasi ang iniisip na lang namin ngayon, noon during the time, is making sure that Princess will recover.